Hi everybody, my name is Pastor Gareth Lavelle and I'm coming to you from www.cloudchristianministries.co.uk, and today I want to read to you a small devotion, and it's titled Cry Out to the Lord, and it's coming to you from Psalms 107 verses 23 to 32, starting in verse 23, and it reads: Those who go down to the sea in ships, who do business on great waters, they have seen the works of the Lord, and his mighty wonders in the deep. For he spoke and raised up a stormy wind, which lifted up the waves of the sea. They rose up to the heavens, and they went down to the depths. Their soul melted away in their misery. They railed and staggered like a drunken man, and were at their wits' end. Then they cried to the Lord in their trouble, and he brought them out of their distress. The solution is to do exactly what the sailors did. Cry to the Lord in your trouble, as in Psalms 107 verse 28. After all, he is sovereign over storms and uses them for his good purpose. God knows we sometimes need to reach the end of our resources before we will turn to him. Then if you call out to the Lord and submit to his authority over the storm, he will calm the waves in his perfect timing and guide us to safety. Remember, the goal is not simply to escape turmoil, but to learn to depend on the Lord instead of ourselves. Trusting him to handle what we can not will ultimately lead to gladness, thanksgiving and praise for his loving kindness and intervention on our behalf. And another wonderful result will be that we tell others how faithful God has been, so they can trust on him too. That is a beautiful, beautiful passage, and I hope that encouraged you. And this is for our Christmas Advent calendar on December the 17th. It's the 17th, can you believe it already? 17th of December 2020. And we want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a very blessed 2021 as you go into the new year after Christmas. So blessings everybody. Have a great week and have a wonderful Christmas. My name is Pastor Gareth, coming to you from Cloud Christian Ministries. Bye for now.